Alright, we want to solve some trigonometric equations. Let's have an easy example to start off with. It's best taught for examples, I believe. So sine x. Nah, come off it. Let's use theta because it is, technically an angle. It could be a real number though. Let's say sine theta equals 0.4. And I want to find theta. So, well, what's the method to do that? The first thing I say is draw a sketch. Right? Usually when they ask you to solve trigonometric equations, they'll accompany it with a range. Say 0 is less than theta is less than 360. Whatever range they give you, you want to draw the portion of the graph that's in that range. There you go. And mark on the line where 0.4 would be. Okay, somewhere like there. Okay, so there's two solutions. One of them you can easily get by just taking arc sine of this thing, and that will give me this solution. Okay, so arc sine of 0.4. What's that gonna be? Got it written down in front of me. It's gonna be 23.6. Okay, but then I can use symmetry to find the other value. So if this is 23.6, which I got by solving the equation simply, 0.4. So that's one solution, 23.6. The other one I'm going to get by just using the symmetry of the graph. And like I said, remember it was symmetrical at 90 degrees. So therefore, I'm going to look over here, and I'm just going to take 23.6 away from 180. Right? Then I end up getting 156.4 degrees. That's the other answer. So those are the two solutions in this range. Notice there's only two because I can tell from a sketch. Okay, let's have another example. Let's do cos this time. Let's say cos of theta is minus 0.7. And we'll have the same range as before. So, alright. Okay, so let's sketch the graph in this range. You can remember what it looks like by now. Just like this. Okay. Now I want to find where theta is minus 0.7. So I can do that by just drawing in a line where minus 0.7 would be. I notice it goes through two values, here and here. Okay, so I use arc cos to get the first one. So theta is equal to arc cos of minus 0.7. So what's that going to be? Use a calculator. And we'll get the answer of 134.4 degrees. Let's use the symmetry. So we know this line is 180. So I know that, so I can either do it like this. It's 134 that way. So come in 134 from 360 to get the other answer. And I get 225.6, right? So those are my two answers. Good stuff, good stuff. So those are two basic trigonometric equations. Now they can get a little bit harder than this. So they can get a bit harder if the argument just isn't theta. So in the next video, let's do two more examples that are a little bit more difficult.